Give him a
My name is Jeff.
And his name is John C.
No! Get off your sister!
Ah!
You to know that she was living. No!
Hey!
My heart is not on the camera. Thank you.
Oh!
How do you pronounce this? Oh.
How much more of a circle can you be?
Hello. Can you look at me?
I'm so hungry I could eat pagagwa. Oh my...
Dude, why do you have your Odyssey out? Oh!
Why the fuck were you up? No. Why were you up at 5 o'clock biting my...
Now pet yourself. Good boy.
Can you speak French? Can you say bonjour?
Merhabalar efendim. Klinik günleriniz nasıl geçiyor?
Alright, good night, Gally. Alright, Mac. Good night, bub.
Hi. Are you guys hungry? But you're just a pretty princess. Come here.
If you're happy and you know it, say I will.
Vamos, el perrito se fue de casa.
Can I please take a nap?
Can I get a hour? Thank you.
Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
Tony, you're not a grocery. What are you doing?
The freaking counters! Augustus, calm down. Mommy's got you.
Frank, you cannot do that. Frank, you can't. You can't.
Stop! Ragged!
Dude, go fuck.
I'm so embarrassed. Like, please stop. Stop putting them in my face.
Taters, where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay. Hey.
Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh, Rollins with a stop to Lester. He doesn't deliver it. Oh, Rollins. There it is. Rollins with the pedigree. Oh, what a knee. Oh, my God. And another one by Stata. What the hell is... There's Rollins with the pedigree. Oh, what a knee. His name is John C. Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh, on the outside. His name is John C. Absolutely no way in hell Jay can do this. And Lesnar! What a Lesnar who's fading away! Brock Lesnar is fading.
Something for you right here. She's gotta go!
Come on.
You're my friend now.
And his name is John C. Sunday, every man for himself. Oh, what?
Truly in pain. But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool. And I just thought it was important.
Who's Kevin?
Kevin!
Hey, what's up?
It's talking.
scary thing.
To put the finishing touches on this match. Roman Reigns. RKO by Orton. Great ball. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, Claymore. Straight up delivery. You got to be kidding me. Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? The finishing touches on this match.
Someone get FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster. Because it only...
You gotta be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? What a Lesnar who's fading away! Brock Lesnar is fading away! Oh. Wait a minute, look at this! Yes! Oh my God! To put the finishing touches on this match. Way in hell, Jay can do this. To deliver speed. Oh, the Claymore attack from out of nowhere! Straight up delivery!
Oh my gosh.
Sunday, every man for himself. Oh, RKO! Goodness! His name is John Cena. Is he going to deliver? Oh, attack from out of nowhere! Oh my God! And his name is John Cena.